name is Cynthia Fuller and I'm the founder of thefullermind.com. Bago ko po ipagpatuloy ang aking nais na i-share, kung gusto mo mabigyan ng tips and guide tungkol sa saving and stock market tips at tips na din kung paano magsimulang mag-invest sa stock market, mag-subscribe ka to my YouTube channel kung hindi ka pa nag-subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos ko.
Top 3 reasons why you should invest in the Philippine stock market. This is part 2. Dahil yung part 1 na-release ko na, and I hope napanood mo na yung ating part 1. Okay? We will proceed with part 2. Before that, ito yung ating disclaimer. Let me read it first. Any investment carries a certain level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The degree of leverage can work against you as well for you. Before deciding to trade or invest in the stock market, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. The possibility exists that you could sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, and therefore, you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this website or presentation is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. The Fuller Mind will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit which may arise directly or indirectly from use or reliance of such information. The content on this website or presentation is subject to change at any time without notice, and is provided for the sole purpose of assisting traders or investors to make independent investment decisions. The Fuller Mind has taken reasonable measure to ensure learning on the website or presentation, however, does not guarantee its accuracy and will not accept liability for any loss or damage which may arise directly or indirectly from the content or inability to access the website or presentation, for any delay in or failure of the transmission or the receipt of any instruction or notification sent through this website or presentation. The Fuller Mind is not soliciting any money from anyone to invest in the stock market. Results may not be typical nor expected for every person. I'm not implying you'll duplicate or do anything for that matter, whatever income figure stated on this presentation or in any pages in my website. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Person who buys anyhow to information but does not take any action gets little to no result. I am using these references for example purposes only. All information provided on this presentation and in my website are based on my best practices and for educational purposes only. You have to understand that our results may vary depending on many factors, including but not limited to your desire, background, knowledge, experiences, and application. Okay, we will now proceed why you should save and invest. Ang isang dahilan ay kailangan natin paghandaan ang future financial goals natin. Like, one example could be tuition fee ng mga anak sa kolehiyo or pwede ring retirement fund. It actually depends kung ano yung goal mo, kung bakit mo gustong mag-save and invest sa Philippine stock market. So the first thing that you have to do is to identify yung goal. Laging goal. Ano ba ang goal ko? Ba't gusto ko mag-invest? For me, sa edad ko ngayon, kasi nagbabago naman ang goals natin, pero right now, ang goal ko is for the tuition fee and college education ng mga bata at retirement fund naming mag-asawa. Okay? Kindly inquire sa mga universities or sa school regarding tuition fee increase. Kasi ang example natin dito ay, kunwari, ang goal natin is for the tuition fee increase. Kailangan natin paghandaan yan, di ba? Dahil nag-i-increase naman talaga ang tuition fee. Pero ang aking note lang ay itanong sa universities or sa mga schools kung magkano ang tuition fee increase. Kasi ako ay magbibigay ng halimbawa dito para mas makita lang natin yung realidad na talagang nag-i-increase yung tuition fee. Pero sa example na to, ang gagawin kong halimbawa ay, kunwari, tayo ay magse-save and invest para sa tuition fee ng mga bata or ng mga anak natin. At sa halimbawa na to, 10% increase per year yung tuition fee. Ito yung condition sa example na to, okay? Pero again, yung reminder ko, tanungin sa school or sa university kung magkano talaga ang tuition fee increase. Okay? So, ginawa kong halimbawa, ang tuition fee ng isang bata ngayon sa kolehiyo ay 50,000 per semester. Hindi ko alam kung anong course ang may tuition fee na 50,000 right now, pero example, ang anak natin ay gustong magkolehiyo at ang kursong gusto niya na i-take ay nagkakahalaga ng 50,000 per semester. After 10 years, dahil sa 10% increase per year, magiging 129,687 pesos yung katumbas ng 50,000 pesos ngayon. So this is after 10 years. If may 10% increase per year. Okay? Kung halimbawa ang course na gusto ng anak natin ay 4-year course, so 8 semesters na lang natin i-compute yan sa 8 semesters. Magkano yung tuition fee na kailangan natin after 10 years? Tuition fee alone, that's more than 1 million. 1,037,496 pesos ang kailangan natin. Kung ang tuition fee ng anak natin ay 50,000 pesos sa panahon ngayon. Okay? Malinaw po ba? Sa panahon ngayon, halimbawa, 50,000 ang tuition fee ng bata. Okay? Halimbawa ganito. Okay, mag-inquire ka sa school, and then nakita mo, anak, ano yung gusto mong course? So, sinabi ng anak mo. Then ngayon, tiningnan mo, 50,000 ang value, or I mean, ang tuition fee. So ngayon, dahil bata pa yung anak mo, sa isip mo, 10 years pa naman, after 10 years pa naman to magka-college, kinumpute mo ngayon, after 10 years. Yung 50,000 na yan ay 129,687 pesos kung may 10% increase per year. Okay? And dahil 4-year course yun at 8 semesters, yung after 10 years na yan at yung 50,000 na yan, ang kailangan mo for the tuition fee alone is 1,037,496 pesos. So, ganyan kalaki ang tuition fee na pwede nating magastos kung 50,000 ang kurso ng anak natin per semester. So, that's why I encourage you to save and invest para mapaghandaan ang kinabukasan or pag-aaral ng mga bata. Bakit good source of passive income ang mag-invest sa Philippine stock market? I'll show you the performance of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Let me go to the chart using Investograms. Can you see the date here sa bottom? Yung PSEI here from 19, here, hold on, 1985, okay, to, this is 2021. Hold on, let me just show you the date here. Ayan, so this is 2021, okay? So from 1985 to, from 1985, let me check again, okay? Wait. 1985 to 2021, okay? So, ano yung trend na nakita mo? Just by looking at the trend from 1985 to 2021, it's an uptrend. The stock market never goes on a straight line. It does not go directly, diretso straight pataas, hindi rin yan diretso straight pababa. So kung makita mo, it's really up and down. But overall trend, it's uptrend. Okay? That's why I'm telling you, alamin mo yung goal mo. Kung long-term ka, go for long-term investing. Kung short-term, then you have to learn the technical analysis kung gusto mong mag-trading talaga actively. But if you want long-term, you go for your goal na long-term investing. That's why before you invest in the stock market, you have to identify your goal. Ba't mo gusto mag-invest? Kasi iba-iba naman po tayo ng goal, iba-ibang risk tolerance natin, iba-iba yung personality natin. Hindi tayo pare-pareho. Ang mahalaga dito, malaman mo kung ano yung nararapat na strategy para sa personality at risk tolerance mo. At sa budget mo na rin. At sa lifestyle mo na rin na kaya mo i-monitor yung stock market. Okay? So since naipakita ko sa iyo itong chart na to, that obviously it's an uptrend. Gusto kong ipakita sa iyo yung daily time frame. So, ito yon, papalitan lang natin ng 1 day para makita mo yung daily time frame. At ang gusto kong i-example dito sa chart na to ay yung nangyari. Dahil dun sa part 1, ang pinakita ko din is yung PSEI. So, PSEI din ang ipapakita ko dito sa part 2 na to. So, I hope napanood mo yung part 1 presentation natin na bakit mo kailangan mag-invest sa stock market kasi part 2 na to. So, nag-announce ng enhanced community quarantine sa Pilipinas noong March 2020. Ito po yung date na yan, it's March 2020. And kung makita mo, bumaba naman talaga yung PSEI. Okay? Diba? Bumaba siya. So, ngayon, 2021, again, this is March 2020, at ngayon ay December 2021. So, do you see the trend? Ito yung date. I will just show you again. Pakihan natin. Okay, so December 17, 2021. So, what trend do you see? It's an uptrend from 2020, March 19, 2020, to December 17, 2021. Pero, hindi naman siya diretso uptrend, di ba? It goes up and down. Ang pinakita ko sa yung time frame is daily time frame, meaning bawat isang candlestick na nakikita mo, kasi candlestick ang tawag dito, pero ang trend ang mahalaga na makita mo. It's an uptrend from March 2020 to December 2021. Okay? So I hope nakikita mo yung concept na at least from this chart, malalaman mo, okay, it's uptrend pala overall from March 2020 to December 2021. Pero nakita mo rin na hindi talaga siya diretso up. It really goes up and down. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang talagang aralin yung stock market. Kung daily ka titingin at hindi ka naman pala daily magte-trade or hindi ka actively magte-trade, don't go for active trading. Mag-long term ka na lang. So, depende po yun. Ang mahalaga is you have to start learning the stock market. Start learning before you begin to invest para malaman mo din kung ano yung strategy na kailangan mong umpisahan. Learn the basic first kasi once inaral mo yung basic, unti-unti magle-level up yung knowledge mo sa stock market. Unti-unti, madami kang malalaman but you have to begin first because the key word is to start. Okay? I will go back to the slides dahil may mga important reminders pa ako. Ito yung aking reminder para sa'yo, learn the stock market first before you begin to invest to minimize the risk of investing. May risk naman po talaga ang investing, pero we need to minimize by learning. Di po ba kapag nagnegosyo ka, may risk din na nandyan. Hindi mo alam kung magiging successful yung business mo or hindi. So same thing dito sa stock market, may risk din. That's why you have to learn first to minimize the risk of investing. Isipin niyo po na ang goal mo ay makapag-invest to where you feel comfortable. Kaya nga po sabi ko, aralin mo muna para alam mo how the stock market works. Makikita mo na may simple strategy pala para sa mga low-risk taker. Hindi ito yung tipong masyadong technical terms, hindi po ganoon ang stock market. May mga simple strategy. You just have to start so you could learn more. Learn, apply, grow. Okay? Learn, apply, grow. Lagi ko pong sinasabi to, learn, syempre, kailangan natin mag-gain knowledge. Apply. Sayang naman yung pinag-aralan natin kung hindi natin i-implement. And we have to grow. Hindi ibig sabihin na ito na yung alam mo, dyan na natatapos. You really have to grow your knowledge to improve. Okay? Kailangan mag-improve yung strategy by learning more. Now, how to learn more? I'm inviting you to join my Facebook group. You just search for the Fuller Mind Stock Market Investing for Beginners. Yan yung name ng Facebook group ko. And my Facebook page, ang pangalan is simply The Fuller Mind. And of course, my YouTube channel, simply Cynthia Fuller. You can get a free copy of my ebook if you want to learn more on how to start investing in the Philippine stock market. It's https://thefullermind.com/free-ebook. And also, I'm inviting you to attend the free training on how to start investing in the Philippine stock market. It's https://thefullermind.com/webinar. Okay? Again, I would like to say salamat and I'll see you in my next video dahil may part 3 pa to. Salamat!